Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today we're tackling a crucial and potentially life-saving project, building your own DIY storm shelter. We'll show you how to build an underground shelter using cinder blocks, set up an air filtration system for fresh air, and add solar power. Plus, we'll cover stockpiling food, storing water, and installing cameras to watch your perimeter. Let's get started! Let's start with planning and preparation. Before we start digging, it's essential to plan everything out. Here's what you'll need: cinder blocks, cement and mortar, steel rebar for reinforcement, shovels and digging tools, gravel for drainage, waterproofing materials, air filtration system, vent pipes, hand tools like trowels and levels, solar panel kit with battery storage and wiring, emergency supplies, non-perishable food, bottled water, first aid kit, security cameras for perimeter surveillance, necessary permits and adherence to local building codes. Call 8111 to ensure no utility lines are where you plan to dig. Now that we know what we will need, let's start with the marking and digging of your shelter. Identify and mark the location for your shelter. We're building a 10x 10-foot shelter with a depth of 8 feet. Begin digging the pit using shovels or rented excavation equipment. Make sure the sides are straight and the bottom is level. Next is the foundation and walls. Spread a 4-inch layer of gravel at the bottom for drainage. Next is laying the concrete foundation. Pour a 6-inch thick concrete slab with steel rebar for reinforcement. Let it cure for at least 24-48 hours. How to build the walls. Lay the first row of cinder blocks, ensuring they are level and straight. Use mortar to secure them. Place steel rebar vertically in every other block for added strength. Continue building the walls, staggering the blocks for stability and filling the cavities with concrete as you go. Let's move on to the roof and waterproofing. Use sturdy wooden beams or steel supports to build the roof framework. Cover it with a concrete slab, leaving openings for ventilation pipes. Apply a waterproof sealant or membrane to the roof and walls to prevent water infiltration. Make sure to install vent pipes. Install at least 2 vent pipes, one for fresh air intake and one for exhaust. Adding the air filtration system. Inside the shelter, connect the air filtration system to the intake pipe. This will ensure a continuous supply of clean, filtered air. Don't forget your solar setup. Position solar panels in a sunny spot above ground. Connect them to a battery storage system. Ensure all connections are secure and waterproof. Install LED lights and electrical outlets inside the shelter, powered by the solar system for lighting and small devices. Let's move on to entrance and security. Install a secure door. Install a heavy-duty door at the entrance to ensure safety and security. Perimeter surveillance. Set up cameras around the shelter's perimeter to monitor and secure the area above ground. Having a stockpile of essentials is paramount. Canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, and other long-lasting foods. Water. Store enough bottled water for at least several days. And of course, last but not least, your first aid kit. Include bandages, antiseptics, medications, and other medical supplies. Additional items. Consider adding blankets, a battery-powered radio, flashlights, extra batteries, and personal hygiene items. Don't forget regular maintenance. Regularly check and maintain the shelter to ensure it's always ready for use. Periodically inspect the structural integrity, ventilation, and power systems to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, your DIY storm shelter is now equipped with fresh air circulation, solar power, emergency supplies, and security measures, making it a safe and sustainable haven. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you build a safe, sturdy, and self-sufficient storm shelter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY projects.